Hey everyone! Welcome back to TECHNO SHUBH. In today's Scratch tutorial, we're going to learn how to add backgrounds and change scenes, like going from a start screen to your actual game. Let's go! Step 1. Add a backdrop. First, go to the bottom right corner and click the little picture icon that says, Choose a backdrop. You can pick any background you like. I'll choose blue sky for now. Step 2. Choose another backdrop. Let's add a second one. I'll pick colorful city this time. Now we have two scenes. Step 3. Code of switch scenes. First, add the starting block. To switch between them, use the switch backdrop block from looks. For the smooth switch, I add the wait block. Boom. It'll now change scenes when the start button is clicked. That's it for this part. Next time, we'll add jumping and gravity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you like the video.